Good morning. Today is Monday, September 14th. This is DMR Cycle 1, Day 4. Today what we're going to do is subtract 5,001 minus 2,972. We're going to multiply 45 by 63, or 63 by 45, and we're going to estimate 39 times 73. Okay, so as we're going to do that, I want you to pause the video right now, take about 7 minutes, and go ahead and do those 3 problems, and then come back and click right there. I'm sorry, you won't get to do that. You come back to the video to check. Okay? All right, here we go. All right, I'm going to grab my pen over here. All right, we're going to do 5,001 minus 2,972. So the first thing I want to do is I want to write 5,000. Oops, that's huge. 5,000. And then 2,972. And I'm going to have to borrow. I'm going to go to the 5. The 5 is going to become a 4, which makes this a 10. I have to cut it out, make it a 9, which makes this a 10. I'm just going to write it over it because it's so big. I cross it out, make it a 9, and then make this an 11. And 11 minus 2 is 9. And I know this because 9, 10, 11. 9 minus 7 is 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. 0 plus 9 is 9. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2,029. Let's do some check marks. Today we're going to do our check marks in blue. So borrowing and regrouping, changing the 5 to a 4, the 0 to a 10 and into a 9, the 0 to a 10 into a 9, and then the 1 into 11. And then, of course, subtracting to get 2,029. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 check marks. Okay. Now we're going to go down, and we are going to multiply 45 times 63. Now, I don't know about you, but I like to multiply with 4s and 5s better than 6s and 3s. So I'm going to actually do 63 times 45. I'm going to start in my 1s. So 5 times 3 is 15. My 1 and my 15. My 5 and my 15. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 1 is 31. So I get 31 right there. Cross that out. 0 this out as my next step so I can trail it. I get a new color. Okay, we're going to, box the 0. We're going to bring it on down in the trailer, put it right underneath that 5. Then we multiply by 4. 4 times 3 is 12. First I'll find my 12, put 2 in my 12. 4 times 6 is 24, 25. And we're going to add to find our final answer. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. And then we get a 2 for 2,835. Okay, we're going to do our checks in our light blue. So what do you get checks for? You get checks for your cross-outs and carries. You get for zeroing this out. You get for dropping this 0 down. You get a check for the partial product of 63 times 5 for 315. You get a check for the partial product of 63 times 40 for 2,520. And then, of course, you'll get a check for the correct answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 checks here. Then we're going to estimate over here. Grab a blue. We've got 39 and 73. And again, I'm going to put the lower number on the bottom, higher number on top. So 39, 73. Okay, the number they have in common is in the tens place. I go next door and I circle my 9. I ask myself, oh, is 39 closer to 40 or closer to 30? And it's closer to 40. So I'm going to actually put 40 on the bottom. Just because it's kind of easier to multiply with 40. I keep trying to change my color, but it's not doing it. Then I'm going to look here. So this went right there. Again, this went right there. And we're multiplying, so I'm going to put that there. Then we have our 3. I ask myself, is 73 closer to 70 or closer to 80? It's closer to 70, so I'm going to make it 70, and I'm going to put it right up here. Hopefully it's going on there neatly. And then I'm going to go ahead and multiply. So I'm going to grab it, put pink. There, I did change colors. So put these 2 zeros in the trailer, cross them out, send them to the bottom. Then 4 times 7 is going to give me 28. So your estimate of 39 times 73 or 73 times 39 is 2,800. That's close enough. Let's do our check marks here. Let me grab light blue. Okay, here we go. So rounding 39 to 40, rounding 73 to 70, trailing, putting both of your zeros in the box, trailing both of these zeros down there, and then getting your 28. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get 5 checks there. So 5 and 5 is 10, and 10 plus 6 is 16. So today you get 16 checks out of however many you got. I hope you got them all. Okay? Stand by for the next video, which will be problem solving. We need to look at that one as well.